and welcome back to Shane Trades Crypto. What's the story, lads? So today we are going to be looking at some cryptocurrency news. It's going to be a mixture of cryptocurrency news and just general market news. So let's have a look into it. The first story we're going to cover is the US Federal Reserve is making some analysts bullish on Bitcoin again. So if you do want to read the full story, I'm just going to give you a quick roundup. So basically, Bitcoin dropped to $33,000 last week, as we all know, and it was heavily bought back up. It went past $39,000, and basically the story is just saying like a lot of analysts are very, very bullish on Bitcoin again. So again, guys, very good news in the space, because if Bitcoin goes up, generally the whole market goes up. So we really do want Bitcoin to go up, basically. I don't own too much Bitcoin, like I own a very small amount of Bitcoin because I'd rather invest my money into alternative coins that have a far bigger potential. On to better news. The Canadian Bitcoin ETF sees its third largest daily inflow ever. So that's absolutely fantastic news. So Canada-based Purpose Bitcoin ETF attracted over 38 million worth of Bitcoin on this Tuesday, its third largest daily inflow to date. According to data provided by Glassnode, investors poured about 1,054 Bitcoin into the fund, marginally lower than the inflow recorded on December 6 last year. However, the capital injection still came out to be almost half the amount that entered the Purpose Bitcoin ETF on its debut in February 2022. February 22nd, 2021, over 2,250 Bitcoin. So basically, guys, a lot of people bought the dip there in Canada for that ETF, which is absolutely fantastic news. And I just don't understand how Bitcoin is this far down. It's only a matter of time before it goes up. It really is. And with the health of the industry at the moment, there's so many big players getting involved, so many huge companies. It's just crazy. So this is a golden opportunity for everyone here that hasn't even got involved in cryptocurrency yet to actually get involved. And not just in Bitcoin, but in Ethereum and Cardano and Polkadot. These they're at a huge sale price, basically. It's amazing. So I do really think everyone should be getting involved in cryptocurrency. Obviously, none of my information is financial advice. It's just what I'm doing, and it's just the news. So this is very exciting news. So obviously, we've seen the daily flow on OpenSea is absolutely astronomical at the moment. So everyone's buying NFTs. NFTs are the main thing now at the moment. I'm not a huge lover of NFTs. I do see pluses and positives about them. I do see negatives and positives about them, but this is a pretty cool story. So Grammy winner John Legend launches new music and art NFT platform. So the funny thing is about this is the CEO of the NFT platform says that it won't require users to have a crypto wallet and will prioritize ease of access for a mainstream audience. So no crypto wallet, bit strange, but the main thing there is ease of access for mainstream audience. So what we're getting out of this is we're going to have more people adopting cryptocurrency. It may not be it may be a simple NFT platform at first, but once they get a taste for cryptocurrency and becomes more optimal, people are going to look it up. They're going to buy crypto. They're going to research crypto. They're going to tell their friends and family about crypto. I'm sure most of you, or anyone that's watching this video, has told all of their friends and family about the wonders of crypto so far, and has encouraged all of your friends and family to buy some crypto. I've encouraged my fucking granddad to buy some crypto. So on to the next story anyway, lads. So Facebook, this is just a funny story of how the stock markets are going at the moment. So yesterday was a really bad day on the stocks. So Facebook owner Meta set for 195 billion wipeout, biggest in market history. Shares some 22% pre-market, dragging down Snap, Pinterest. Wall Street cuts price targets on Meta shares after earnings. So the earnings report wasn't great for Facebook, Meta, and poor old Mark Zuckerberg is going to have to get the wallet out and really pump some more money into Meta, which is just crazy. But this is just the state of the market at the moment, lads. Although if we do look at the S&P today, it's actually up 0.94%, which is quite the rise for the S&P 500. So generally, if you see over time, when the S&P is up, generally like all other markets, especially like our crypto market, tends to be up as well. Obviously, the two correlate because there's a lot of like big money coming from the traditional space into the crypto markets now, which is good. It's good and bad, essentially. Obviously, the more money in, the better, because of us early adopters are going to make more on our investments. But the great side of the decentralized finance sphere in general is that the big corporations and big hedge funds hopefully will never control this space. Obviously, they are at the moment contributing to market manipulation in the space, but yeah, that's all that happens. I suppose they're always going to try to be greedy. Right, so on to the cryptocurrency watch for the day. Right, so it's a red day so far. The USA market hasn't opened. USA market actually hasn't opened yet, so we actually could see this rise. So as I'm recording this, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and Ethereum's had a nice little pump up for the last week, but it's back down 6.68% today. So yesterday was actually a decent day for trading. I've done a few trades yesterday. I had a long position on Ethereum, I had a long position on Bitcoin, and I actually had a long on XRP as well. I took profit on all of them. I left 25% of one of my Ethereum trades open, and I did liquidate, but that was my own fault for leaving it open. It was only a small position, and I should have had better watch of it, really, like. So guys, if you scroll down through this market, like Solana under $100 is a buy. XRP under 60 cent I think is a buy as well. Like as soon as the XRP lawsuit case is over, like XRP has a lot of catching up to do. XRP was one of the biggest coins around a few years ago, and they're still working, they're still doing business, but their price of their coin is astronomically low, basically, from what it should be. Like if that kept up the current trends of the crypto market, it should be around $5. So I could see this easily going up to $5. That's a 10x nearly from here. I got a load of XRP when it was down around 11 cent, which was great. But yeah, I bought some at 20 cent as well. That's most of my bags. I haven't really bought over this percent now, but I would be tempted to throw some money into XRP just from when that lawsuit is settled. Another one that's down a lot is Cardano, and Cardano, if you're looking at Cardano and the news about Cardano, it's one of the busiest blockchains around at the moment. So once applications start launching on Cardano and a lot of people start looking into Cardano a little bit more on using their applications, the price of Cardano is going to skyrocket. Obviously, they had a mixed start now when they launched Sunday Swap. It didn't go particularly well. As soon as a proper platform comes in and it's tried and tested, and it's a proven place that we can use the Cardano ecosystem, I think there's going to be a lot of adoption into Cardano. Like if you look at even Cardano NFTs at the moment, like they're obviously going for a lot less compared to Ethereum NFTs, but there's so much potential in those NFTs. So I will be featuring on the channel some Cardano NFTs in the near future. So please do leave a like for that. Basically, guys, if you just scroll down through the crypto markets, everything's a buy. Nearly everything's a buy. Any project that you like over the last few years is down. Go and buy it, go support it, pump your bags for when the bull market is back. So I will have an altcoin video out later, guys, and yeah, we're going to be looking into some cool things. If you want anything covered particularly on the channel, please do leave a comment below, like my video, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Again, it's only going to get better with quality and with my practice, which look, that's how we do it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.